Quora is a social media platform where users can interact by asking questions and providing answers to each other. Quite simply, it is a question and answer website that is similar to a forum or board, but with more social features and a very large audience. Quora is an open platform that allows people from all around the world to share their knowledge on any topic, niche, or industry. Quora was a small site with a small but unique user base when it launched in 2009. It was mostly used by tech experts and other industry people. It grew more and more popular once word got out that it was being used by high-profile people, such as Facebook co-founder, Dustin Moskovitz, and today it is the largest Q&A site on the internet. How does it work? Quora is perhaps the simplest to use question and answer site you can find, and it works like an open-ended yet very streamlined internet forum. Anyone can join the site, and it just takes a few clicks to ask questions or give answers. When you join the site, you'll be able to select or follow the topics that you are interested in. Generally, people follow topics that they know about so they can help others with answers, as well as topics they're curious about, so they can ask questions and get custom answers with the information they're looking for. You'll notice that Quora is a social media platform when you start using the site because it uses a front page feed where you'll find questions made by other users, which you can respond to with a single click, as well as answers provided in posts related to the topics that you choose to follow. Easy strategies to boost your brand via Quora. Every seasoned marketer knows that there are always additional ways to make their marketing efforts easier, that there are always tricks and shortcuts that you can take to make the most out of any platform where you're working to promote and grow a brand. In this lesson we are going to teach you the best Quora marketing tricks that we have discovered and tried with proven results, so you can apply them too and take the lead. Look for questions made by the most niche segments of your audience. Most of the time, marketers and businesses concentrate on reaching out to the largest and loudest segments of their audience, but we've found that reaching out to smaller and more niche segments of your audience can give you faster and even better results. What you have to do is to think of a segment of your audience that is concerned by or interested in a very specific product, service, or topic in your target audience. For example, if your niche is audio equipment, you can reach out to customers in the market only for high-end headphones. These segments are often looking for information about very specific products or services, and they are already in buying mode, but because the information they're looking for is hard to come by, they always go undeserved. And that's where you come in. Pay attention to their questions, to the answers that they are getting, and work on more elaborate answers that fill their need and satisfy their search. This will automatically convert them into your leads, and will champion your content. Crowdsource content from Quora. Quora can be an incredible tool for marketing research. You can use it to research content for your blog posts, or to collect information about people in your audience. The best part is that you can crowdsource it, and all you have to do is to publish a question. We already mentioned that posting questions is a great way to engage with your audience, but can also help you to collect user-generated content. Just post questions to know the opinion of people about a topic you need to collect information on, save it, and use it as the information for your next content marketing project. Here are some ideas that can help you create thought-provoking Quora answers. Building your reputation as an authority and raising brand awareness by distributing your content on Quora is great, but there are a few other things you can learn to go the extra mile. The following tips we'll give you here will help you to boost your chances of going viral or landing a sweet mention on a bigger site. Take up space. The first rule of a thought-provoking Quora answer is that it has to take up plenty of space. Be bold and disrupt the Quora user experience in a positive way by creating answers that don't leave much spare room for others to contribute. To apply this strategy effectively, you have to make an effort to always respond first or second. Follow up by composing a long-form answer divided into a minimum of 3 paragraphs. Apply the formatting rules we discussed in the previous lesson so the text in your answer stands out. This will cause the reader to interpret your answer as the best answer to the question you're replying to. It will make the reader analyze your perspective, and to make decisions based on your content. Answer off-topic questions that are difficult to respond to. We are sure that you know a lot about certain topics that are off-limits to your niche, but they're a great opportunity to build a genuine connection with certain members of your audience. For example, if you know Spanish, or are a native Spanish speaker, or you know any other language, you will find that a lot of your followers are asking questions about it. You will also notice that, a lot of the time, these questions go unanswered because they're difficult to answer, and the people who know the answers don't use Quora. These are great opportunities to jump in and provide a thoughtful answer to these questions, using the same expert voice you use when responding to questions in your niche. This will cause people to also see you as an expert in a different field, and will start sending questions directly to you. This has the effect of increasing your ranking, and exposing you to an even larger audience. Quora marketing do's and don'ts. The do's. Stick to questions and answers in your niche. Limiting your scope to answering questions in your niche is the safest way to really demonstrate your knowledge about your target industry and to establish authority. Participate regularly and consistently. It is important that you stay active by answering questions regularly, if possible at a fixed time of the day. This will help you increase brand recall among readers who see your answers regularly in their feed. Be genuine. Being open about who you are, whether you're using Quora as a personal brand or company, as well as about why you are actually qualified to answer questions in your niche, makes it easier for Quora users to know you're a real authority and not a spammer. The don'ts. Don't steal your answers. Never use content from other sources as the literal answer to a question. Duplicate content is not tolerated by Quora or the Quora community. Don't be off topic. Avoid commenting or replying to a question if you don't have anything valuable to add to the conversation. After all, Quora is not a forum or board. Don't give black or white answers. Don't reply to a question with a simple answer, with a black or white statement, or with a yes or a no. Be mindful about your answers, and try to write over 250 words for each. Don't use calls to action. Don't encourage people to click on any link with a call to action, as this is seen as spam. Instead, drop links as additional resources to the answer you are providing so people can follow them from the content naturally. Don't sleep on questions. You have to reply to questions as quickly as possible. Otherwise, you risk someone else providing an answer that gets upvoted until it's on top, which will leave you with no chance of participating in a relevant way. Quora marketing premium tools and services to consider. Jarvis Quora Upvote Tool. Jarvis is an online marketing automation platform that sells a Quora automation solution called Quora Upvote Tool, which allows you to automate upvoting on your answers with a few clicks and settings. All you have to do is to configure the number of answers that you want upvoted daily, the timing and intervals between upvotes, and the number of upvotes per campaign. By automating upvotes, Jarvis helps you to boost your brand's status and strength in the Quora community, fast. Quora Tools by Sosinator. Sosinator is a social media marketing automation company that offers a great deal of tools for Quora marketers. These automation tools will help you to automate following, upvoting, reporting, message broadcasting, and as well as with processing questions. You can manage all these tools from a single dashboard that also allows you to cross-post your Quora content to other sites. Questions Pro. Questions Pro is an automation tool designed to be used in connection with Quora. What Questions Pro does is to find the perfect questions for you to answer according to your niche and your profile. It also tracks the position of your answers across all questions to show you the best answers you've been giving. Additionally, it scans the profiles of competitors so you can learn the strategies and when they're most active, so you can take their lead. Some Quora marketing success stories. Bajaj Finserv Limited. Bajaj Finserv Limited is a financial services company from India that specializes in loans, wealth management, and insurance. Objective: the financial company wanted to increase the online visibility of its products, and to influence potential customers during their research for loan products. Strategy: the company started to identify questions related to financial products on Quora. Then it created 2 contributor accounts with backlinks to their profiles, which the company used to answer these questions. Results: both accounts generated over 6 million profile views combined, achieved top ranks in their niche category, and increased referral traffic to the product pages on the brand's website. VCALC. VCALC is an online calculator, equations and dataset library designed to help people to quickly calculate complex stuff without leaving the browser. Objective: the site's creator wanted to promote their web calculator and to let common users as well as potential investors learn about it. Strategy: the team behind VCALC signed up on Quora and simply started following topics where they knew they could answer with great content. When people entered questions, they gave very direct answers and included a link to the VCALC website. Results: VCALC is growing at 75% a year ever since joining Quora, and they're getting over 148,000 visits per month, with over 11 minutes spent by each visitor on each page on average. Quora marketing frequently asked questions: can you make money on Quora? You can't make money directly off Quora unless you create an ad made specifically to sell a product or service, but you can use shortcuts to drive sales, such as capturing leads through email opt-in so you can move people through a sales funnel. What else can a marketer do on Quora, besides increasing awareness, building thought leadership, and advertising? One of the best things about using Quora as a marketer is that it is a great source of content ideas. By checking the content created by top contributors in the categories that you follow, you will be able to see content from their personal point of view, which will allow you to create great content pieces with a more emotional touch, which is great for storytelling and content marketing. Can you really use Quora as a tool for research? Marketers who adopted Quora as a marketing tool early have been using Quora to better understand their audiences. This is because Quora allows you to discover what people are asking at any given moment in any niche, and you can see contributors responding to their queries in real time. This lets you find information about any topic you can imagine right in your Quora feed. Most of the time, this is very detailed information that you won't find anywhere else, and that sometimes isn't written about until someone asks about it. This is especially true in niches with very narrow audiences. Can you use Quora for blogging? Quora used to have a blogging feature that allowed users to create their own personalized blogs and posts, but the feature was eliminated so users could focus on engaging through questions and answers. The closest thing you can get to blogging on Quora are elaborate answers with featured images, signatures, and backlinks. What's the easiest way to send referral traffic from Quora to your product pages? The easiest way of sending traffic from Quora to your product pages is by doing brand mentions on your answers and posts. What you will do is to insert your product page URL into the text or line mentioning the brand. This will prompt interested readers to click through and learn about the product you're promoting. Thanks so much for the time you have dedicated to learning how to get the most advantages from Quora marketing.